So plans just changed a little bit. My buddies, they want to get some ribs. So after training, they came up with the idea to go eat some ribs. Well, you guys, I'm a big rib fan, so I couldn't say no. We're gonna go to Upper Shop. I think probably the best ribs on the island. You guys should try that. So knowing what kind of ribs you're gonna eat over there, I told myself, you know what, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna eat a half slab with salad. I haven't ate that much today, so I'm still beneath 2,700 calories. I only had some shake today and my breakfast, so I can have this. I can have this for the day. I really love this song. You know, this guy Des, I really like his work because he's not singing like negativity, like I shoot you, fuck you, bitch this, bitch that. He's chill though. He's really chill. His music is really relaxed, nice vibe, cool vibe, and you have to listen to this. I can get like really into this thing. Really.
Mami diz bisame bubo que tá cerca minha way. Passou me saco baguste. Ei nan, me saco gosta viva eu
Hey Des, keep doing what you're doing, man. Doing a great job, buddy. Seriously. I'm almost at Opposop. Now this at the Titan in Puna. So I'm gonna let you guys see how the ribs are. You have to check this. About the ribs. Yes.
This is so sad. Thanks for the fries, bro.
Yeah. I'm looking forward.
Okay, how? Okay. She was like worried about getting into a certain like party, and what did I say? Like they always let the hose in. See? Shut the fuck up.
I took one cola with one whiskey coke and a lot of water. We're sitting right now and have half a cascara. Yeah, so we sit at half a cascara. We have Eastern brunch. Me and my girlfriend, Leonie, there she is.
Hi.
We just had the first dish. It was delicious. So it was deviled egg, red cherry tomatoes, and hash brown with something.
With chorizo.
Oh yeah, with chorizo. Yeah, but it was good. It was good. And after this, we're gonna have a dish of 3 things. So yes, really looking forward to that. Okay, so let's wait to see what the next meal is gonna be. The fucked up weekend continues. So now we just asked a spike lemonade, and she asked for
Bellini.
a Bellini. It's something with champagne with I have no fucking clue, but so baby, prost.
Cheers.
This like mojito. So here we go again. Alcohol number 3. So this is the food that looks delicious, small, it's really small, but you don't have to eat your food. So it's just about having fun, tasting it, and that's it what it is. Half a cascora?
Ja, de cocktail.
Yeah, I just had the cocktail, so I don't come anymore above my words. You guys should come here and enjoy it, taste it out. Okay, see ya.
What the fine, mommy Siggy, why no stop? Hit me with the back shot, steady clap, clap, clap. Mali